Hello, everybody. This is your IT master Albert Quay coming your way again with your PC trick for the week. Today, we want to look at a very cool way of freeing up space on our hard drive. So, we will look at how to first monetize the spaces, and then we will follow up with how to free up the spaces. It is important to know this because when you are able to free up spaces on your hard drive, you prevent the risk of not being able to save files. Also, operating systems generally require that you have adequate spaces for them to work efficiently. Operating system is basically the software which is controlling everything on your PC, so it needs space to work efficiently. And a very third point why you must free space is the fact that you want to avoid the risk of slowing down your machine. And technically, it is a mess, but we will deal with that another time. So, the traditional way we all check the sizes of files on our hard drive is by navigating to Windows Explorer. You open Windows Explorer, you click on this PC. If it is Windows 10, if it is an earlier version like Windows 7, you will see my computer. Clicking on it, left clicking on it opens this. You see a meter kind of an icon giving us a picture about our free spaces and our used spaces. So over here you see 58 gigabyte of memory is free on a hard drive of a 674 gigabyte. And this one also is 50 gig free of a 255 gig. So it generally gives us an idea about our free spaces and our used spaces. However, it's not too specific. So today's tutorial is going to help us know specifically which fragment and section of the entire local disk or the backup disk is having or occupying much space so that we can free it up. Okay, so let's just move straight to the point. So you navigate to your start or Windows button, you click on it, and then you click on settings. It opens this control panel interface. You go to system, left clicking on system, you check your left tab here, look for storage. You open that one up, and then it opens this interesting interface. So just like I said earlier, this particular interface gives you an idea about a specific section on your hard drive which has more space, because I believe you want to clear space on your machine. You want to look at the places that are filled up, and then you reduce the number of spaces there. So over here it loads and gives you a picture of how much space has been used. So over here we see 89 gigabyte, we see 85 gigabyte, we see 73 gigabyte. So these are very huge sizes. So if you want to make a deletion, you obviously go into one of these and then you try to free up space. So opening documents, it gives you go to view documents, and then it opens the folder where you can find all the documents for you to apply the necessary action. Here does delete. So when you delete, it gives you a free space that you want to do. Okay, so I'm not deleting it because so that's the idea. And then when you go back to it, is not only your documents and files, your apps and features too. You can always uninstall them in order to free up spaces. So from here to you can see the size is 1.3 gig, 91.5 megabyte. You look for those ones that are huge, and then you click on them, left click, and then you see uninstall, and you can easily uninstall all of them. So that is the very cool way of monetizing the spaces on your hard drive, and then continuing to free them if you need spaces on your machine. I hope this tutorial was a very comprehensible one. If you have comments and questions, just go to my YouTube channel Albert Quay and then just leave your comment there. Please do well to like the videos, and then most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Next week I'm going to come your way with another mind-blowing tutorial. Have a blessed day.